Due to their size, notebooks are usually limited in the amount of connectivity and functionality they can offer, so docking stations come in extremely handy. And this one by Orico seems to tick all the most common boxes. The TB3-S1. One of Orico's first Thunderbolt 3 docks, the TB3-S1, provides an 8-in-1 solution that covers the most commonly used ports, and if you're after a dock with mainly front-facing ports, then this could be the one for you. Available in 3 stylish colours, namely Space Grey, Silver and Champagne Gold, the Orico docking station features an all-aluminium outer casing with holes in each plastic end for effective heat dissipation. With some branding across the top at a little over 8 inches long and 3.5 inches wide, this is a fairly hefty device, though no more so than competing units, and the size is generally understandable given the amount of functionality it packs. Rubber feet along the bottom mean that the docking station will sit nice and firmly beside any notebook too without sliding around on your desk. When it comes to connectivity, around the back we find the unit's main power input, with a rather large power supply being included within the package, which is pretty much standard when it comes to Thunderbolt 3 docks. It does make the entire dock a little less portable, but considering this will most likely sit on your desk most of the time, the only problem is finding enough space behind your desk to house this thing. That hefty power brick not only helps provide power to all devices connected to the dock, but also provides 60 watt of power through one of the 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports on the rear, enough to charge most small notebooks, although if you're rocking Apple's 15 or 16 inch notebooks, then you'll still want to keep your original power adapter close by. The second Thunderbolt 3 port is used for daisy chaining other devices, while the remaining ports are all found across the front of the device where they are nice and easy to get to, without having to reach around the back. Here we find a display port capable of driving a monitor at 8K resolution, a USB Type-C and 2 USB Type-A ports, all being USB 3.1 running at 10 gigabits per second, and a single USB 3 port at 5 gigabits per second, a gigabit Ethernet port, and finally a high-speed SD4 card slot compatible with cards of up to 2 TB in capacity. Personally, I would have preferred the DisplayPort and Ethernet ports to be on the rear of the device, as typically they aren't devices you unplug very often once set up, leaving the most commonly used ports easily accessible at the front, but either way we still find plenty of space between the ports to get devices all connected alongside each other rather easily. Powered by an Intel Thunderbolt 3 control chip, this docking station has the potential to reach transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second depending on the type of connected device. Stylishly designed and solidly built, the Orico docking station is great for those who need extra functionality and display features for their notebook. This isn't a cheap unit though, and to be fair, Thunderbolt 3 devices are generally rather expensive. If you're after more flexibility, then there are other similarly priced docks that'll provide a wider variety of ports already available. Although if you need all of your main ports to be front facing, then the Orico TB3-S1 will do nicely.